Miscellaneous takeoff. In all of the takeoff modules, for example, when you were in pipe and fittings, there's always going to be a button at the top with a big M for taking off miscellaneous items. The same option is available in fixtures. All the modules have miscellaneous takeoff and temporary items. Temporary items are covered in another help video. Also on the left, you have item takeoff. This brings us to the same location. It's just an option for taking off individual items from the database. So we can come in here and take off any item we want to select one at a time. For example, let's say we're looking for a wall hydrant. And at this point, we may not have a good idea where to look for that particular item. There will always be a search button on the last selection on the far right panel. We can just type in wall hydrant. Notice we're using just 2 words. Short, generic descriptions here are best. When we click on search, it'll look through the database to find any folders, any categories that have wall hydrants. We're going to select the first one. Then we have a choice of having them either quoted or picking a particular brand. We're going to go to Woodford, and we'll pick the 4-inch one. We'll put in a quantity of 2. Notice right above the list of these items is the pathway. That's basically the location of these 2 items in the database. They're actually under valves and regulators, wall hydrants, under Woodford. The back button takes you back 1 level at a time. You can see the pathway change. We'll go back 1 more level, and you can see at the main level the category is valves and regulators.